Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're back out in the workshop. Um, this box is rather large, so I can't unbox it in my studio. Also, it's about 35 degrees out here, so a little bit chilly. But anyway, let's get this thing out of the box. This was sent over for us to check out here. It is a watch winder, so you can read here, Flint automatic watch winder. Fashionable way to view and protect your watch. The S120. And I believe they're going to send out another model as well, but let's see what we have here. Okay, so I think pretty much does the same stuff here. Made in China. Oh, I didn't even look at this. So here's a picture of the watch winder. The door on the front here, so it looks cool. We'll get it out of the box here in a moment. And I think we already read that. And another picture of it. So yeah, let's get it out of here. There's the exact model number if you wanted to look it up. Actually, I'll provide a link as well in the description to this exact watch winder on Amazon. All right, let's get out of here. Yeah, the shipping box was like 3 times the size of this thing. I don't know what Amazon was doing there, but you know, it came nice and protected, so I guess that's all that matters. All right, let's take a quick look at the user manual. Again, okay, so it looks like it's a double winder. Automatic watch winder. So we have a power button, LED light button, power input port, and then a battery compartment on the back. Looks like it has a lock as well. That's the first one I think I've seen with a lock on it. You can pause and read this if you like. I'm not going to read through the whole thing right now. And then I'll have a follow-up video here with my impressions on this winder here. So some dimensions, voltage. I'm sure it comes with a power adapter, 5 gears. So let's see, I don't know if it has... Oh, there we go. This is what I was looking for, the 5 gears. So we have off. Position 1 is rotate clockwise for 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. Position 2, clockwise for 2 minutes on and 6 minutes off. 3, rotate watches clockwise, 2 on, 6 off, and then counterclockwise, 2 on and off. I would probably use that one because, for example, this watch here has the Miyota 9039 in it, and it only rotates, it only winds with the weight rotating in one direction. My Swiss watches and some of my Seikos, they can rotate either way and power the watch, but the Miyota 9000 series, only one direction powers the watch. And I think I had my other one on the wrong way. But anyway, gear 4, rotate watches clockwise for 3 hours on and 9 hours off. And then rotate counterclockwise for 3 hours on and 9 hours off. So, I don't know what 2, 6, I don't know, I have to do the math. Maybe it's the same amount of time in a day, just a different way of doing it. But anyway, let's get this thing out of the box. So I'm going to guess this is the power adapter. Actually, we'll do the math on that. So that's 2 minutes on for every 8 minutes. 62, I don't know. 2 times 24? No, I don't know. Anyway. All right. There's that. Let's flip this over. It looks like I broke the box. Very nicely packaged. Oh, cool. It's got like a carbon fiber look to it. That's really neat. I don't know if it's actual carbon fiber. I'm going to guess it's just a... You know, I don't even know. It might be carbon fiber. That could actually be carbon fiber. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I don't think I've seen a key yet. Maybe you guys seen it. Maybe I missed it. Oh, maybe it's on the inside. Let me zoom in a little bit here. It was too much. There it is. That's a good way not to lose the key and to get locked out. All right, there we go. Let's see if the key works. Kind of like an old style key. Yeah, so the key does work. Just have to turn it quite a bit. There's a look at the key. Set that over there. This thing is cool looking. Oh, that's just the hinges. I was wondering what that noise was. So the just like a floating type hinge in there. Let's look at the back here at the knob. I'll plug it into. This thing is neat. Sorry, might have saw my head. I was trying to read the back of that there. So let's plug this in. Quite a long cord. It's probably 4 or 6 feet, something like that. Actually, you know what? I'll measure it. All right, so I just measured the power cord. It's like an inch short of 5 feet, so pretty close to 5 feet long. Okay, oh yeah, it also does have an LED light, so let's turn that on. So it's already rotating, and the light was already on, so if you can see that in there, it's a blue LED light. And that's controlled by this red switch right here. And then the black one obviously controls the power, so turn that off. You know, I'll try and show this at the end of the video with my watch in here with the overhead lights off. So let's go through the positions real quick. Oh, cool. It even has pictures on there to show you what each position is. So that's off. Okay, maybe it's not off. Okay, yep, I must have missed that. There's a little notch right there that shows you what you're pointing at. So now we are in the off position. There we go. So this would be the clockwise 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. And then this is the counterclockwise 2 minutes on, 2 minutes off. That's probably why I need to lock the lid so it doesn't pop open, but you wouldn't be handling it like this anyway. And then this would be the counterclockwise and clockwise. So clockwise 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. Counterclockwise 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. And then this last one is that 3-hour thing. So 3 hours on, and I think it was 6 hours off, right? Or was it 9 hours off? Let's just check real quick. So it was 3 hours on and 9 hours off. And then same thing for counterclockwise. Okay, let me get my watch in here and then we'll see how it goes. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, probably a little bit on the small side. So I'm assuming I want to put it in this way, right? I think I want to put it in this way. Does this show a picture of that? I guess I should have read the directions. The way the cushion's designed, you would think you'd want it on like this, but I think I want it facing out so that as this thing is turning, it's rotating the weight, because otherwise putting it in like that wouldn't really rotate the weight. So the rotor, I should say. Yeah, so that fit on there just fine. Push it in there. And then let's turn it back on. Away we go. So again, this has the Miota movement in it, so I don't know which way you want to rotate this thing for that rotor to rotate. I don't know. So I would just put it on the one that does it both directions, and then that way you know it's going to wind it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. And let me get the shop lights off here and just see how the backlight looks. But yeah, it looks really nice. Like I said, I'll leave a link to this right to Amazon. And I'll leave a link to the other one as well, even though I haven't seen it yet. So you can check out either one. I don't know what we're going to see here. Yeah, unfortunately, it's all lights on or off in this shop. Well, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Sorry, one more thing I forgot to show is I just took the battery cover off and wanted to show that you can put batteries in here, but I already did mention that briefly. Just wanted to show it to you here. So I can't really read that, but I would guess those are size D cell batteries. So there you go. All right, that will conclude this video. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.